Hello, everyone. Hope you guys are well. Let's chat about this Face app that everyone has been using. I don't know when you guys started noticing it, but I've started noticing it on Instagram. A lot of the basketball players, football players, mostly it was people that were basketball players that were posting the pictures or whomever. But they started using this app. So the more and more that people started looking into the app, they are noticing that the terms of agreement for usage of it, the privacy part for usage of the app, is that your information can be used. Now, I've told you guys several times about several apps that can be used on Facebook that you give your access to. And some of these apps that I've mentioned have been connected to the Cambridge Analytica situation and other situations. So there is a attorney who actually posted on her Twitter page, and her name is Elizabeth Potts Weinstein. And she says if you use Facebook app or Face app, you are giving them license to use your photos, your name, your username, your likeness for any purpose, including commercial purposes, like on a billboard or an internet ad. And she screenshotted the privacy part and the user content part. The privacy part is not remotely GDPR compliant, which is something that has been becoming very relevant lately for people with any type of emails or any type of access, for people that may not be in the US, and saying that everything is compliant where they can use or view or partake in anything that's compliant to their GDPR. Now, this data can be transferred to any location. Your data from the Face app can be transferred to any location where they are. So wherever this Face app was built, whoever is handling it, whoever is the app builder, they can take your information because you've just given them permission. See, and what a lot of times what we do when we get on these apps, we don't pay attention to the terms of an agreement. We just automatically start using the app and we agree and we create an account. No worries, I've done it too. But we have to be very vigilant. And I'm always cautious about apps that are connected to Facebook. But I don't want anybody using my face anywhere. I don't want anybody using my username. I don't want them having access to my photos and my phone. I don't want anybody having access that I didn't give access to. And that's what this app has done. And there are a lot of people who downloaded this app. I saw a statistic, let me see if I can find it again, of how many people downloaded this app from let's see, it was on Forbes website. All right, so got to get my glasses, you guys. All right, so the viral app, this is on Forbes now, the viral app Face app now owns access to 150 million people's faces and names. 150 million. And they said that more than 100 million people have downloaded the app from Google Play Store. And it is the top ranking app on the iOS App Store for Apple. And it's in 121 countries, according to App Annie. That's a lot. That's a lot. And, you know, all for fun, because we get these apps and we want to be able to use them. We want to be able to have fun. We want to see certain things. But it's really a shame that you have to be weary about these apps. Like, people that are creating the apps, what are you doing with the stuff? And why do you want to take anyone's picture and use it anywhere else? Like, get a life. I mean, really, there's so many pictures that you can grab from from the internet of things. Why are you worried about someone's picture when they're just trying to have fun? So, in essence, guys, just be really, really careful about what apps that you use, what apps you give access to when it comes to your pictures or any photos in your phone. Be wary about what apps that you turn around, because by downloading that app and getting that picture, you're giving them access to connect to your Facebook page. So it's not just connecting to your Facebook business page, it's connected to your personal page, right? And then anyone who you are friends with. That's always the caveat when these apps, when you give these apps access to your Facebook page. The caveat is they're going to have your information. They're going to know what city, state, town, a little bit of other personal information about you, as well as the people on your friends list. So you have to be very careful on what you do. I, for one, did not take that app and put it anywhere on Facebook. I think it's just because I've not been one that always go with the flow of how things are. I don't really, that's cool, but I mean, I already got gray hair, so I don't need to use the app to see what I'm going to look like. But I just didn't get along. I didn't get on that bandwagon of doing that. But you really have to be careful. And if you haven't downloaded, don't download it at all. If you have downloaded, I don't know if this is a fix for you, but go ahead and delete the app and then turn around and delete it out of your Play Store or your iOS store as well, to get it out of your phone. And if you have any type of cleaner, whether it's like anything to clean up all your apps or make sure your apps don't have any viruses, go ahead and do that on your phone as well. Whether it's Trend, I think it's Trend Micro, or anything else that you may have. There are various apps that you can use to clean your phone that you can download, but go ahead and do that and do a clean sweep. I don't know if that's going to help you in any way, but it doesn't hurt to try it. But you definitely want to make sure that you are no longer using that app. And you might want to go onto your settings on Facebook and go ahead and delete access for that app if you've gone ahead and shared it from the app to your Facebook page. So if you need to know where to go to your Facebook page to delete it, reach out to me and I will give you step-by-step directions on how to delete the app if you've already downloaded it and already shared it to your Facebook page. So we're going to figure out how you can be able to delete that app and take away any type of access. So let me know if this was helpful. Let me know if you were one of those that downloaded it and shared your picture on Facebook, and how you're feeling about all of this craziness with this app. So thanks so much for joining. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to share. And again, reach out to me if you need to know where to go in your settings on Facebook to make sure you delete the app. And I'll talk to you guys soon.